With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, now I declare that all the judges have assembled. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request your Lordship to commence your Lordship's speech.
My esteemed sister and brother judges, Honored Advocate General, Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Chairman Bar Council, Assistant Solicitor General, law officers, learned senior advocates, respected members of the bar, officers of the registry, ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled to mourn the sad demise of Hon'ble Sri Justice R. Bayapu Reddy, former judge of the composite High Court of Andhra Pradesh, who left for heavenly abode on 4/2/22. He was born in the family of agriculturists, did his primary education in Kadapa, and thereafter obtained his law degree from Loyola College. His family wanted him to be an agriculturist, but as he was destined, he took the law degree, did his academics fervently, and thereafter started practicing law at Todatur in Kadapa district. He joined judicial service as district munsif in 1973, and in course of his career, he worked as chairman of Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal at Hyderabad. He was elevated as judge of Composite High Court in July 1996 and laid down the office on 8/12/1998. I was told his lordship was a very prolific arbitrator. Whosoever has appeared before him in arbitrator's matters would always find it very smooth and conducive, and the arbitration proceedings would come to an end in hardly 5 or 6 sittings. His family members, his children, they have settled abroad, but they have all been taught well by late Justice Reddy. I, my own behalf, and on behalf of sister and brother judges, convey deepest condolences to the family members of his lordship. We pay our respectful homage to the departed soul and pray Almighty that his soul may rest in eternal peace, and to bestow strength to his family members, to put up with the irreversible loss.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request the Learned Advocate General to commence his speech on behalf of the legal fraternity.
My Lords, the Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Vice President Bar Association, Chairman Bar Council, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Law Officers, Registry Officials, Advocate Fraternity, and members of the bereaved family. An illustrious career being in the profession and institutions attached to judiciary that spanned for more than 50 years, as an advocate for about 10 years, and subsequent to his retirement, his lordship held the position of being the fee committee chairman appointed for fixation of fee structures for professional colleges pursuant to the judgment of the Supreme Court. His lordship was appointed in 2003 and continued till 2012, subsequent to which his lordships had retired from that position as well. The lordship served as judge of the High Court for 2 years, and I have memory of having appeared only once before his lordship when he was sitting in his chamber in an interlocutory matter. Otherwise, after 2003, when his lordship ruled on the fee fixation for all the educational institutions, including professional and otherwise, between 2006 to 2012, his lordship has fixed fee structure for 4 block years, and the education industry had filed about 1,000 writ petitions against all of those fee fixations unsuccessfully, and subsequently, in pursuance of the division bench judgment in 2012, the entire fee fixation had to undergo a paradigm change. As an adversarial position arising from the orders passed by His Lordship, we found it very difficult to put across any situational argument to discredit any of His Lordship's findings. But the committee had responded to the challenges, having been a nascent field at that point in time, and kept pace with all the developments in that law, and notwithstanding the intervention of the lawyers, the law kept its course. A rich life, which at a ripe age of 85 years, and his continued association with the judicial institution speaks volumes about the commitment His Lordship had to the judicial functions as such, including as the arbitrator. I, on behalf of the advocate fraternity, condole the death of Justice R. Bayapu Reddy and extend my condolences to the members of the bereaved family, and pray Almighty that He provide His Lordship the Sadgati He has so richly earned.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request the learned Vice President, High Court Advocates Association, to read out the speech of the learned President, Advocates Association, on behalf of the legal fraternity.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, and the Honorable Judges, and learned Advocate General, learned respect Chairman Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh, learned Assistant Solicitor General, Law Officers of State, learned Senior Advocates, colleague advocates and friends. It is with a sense of grief, on behalf of Andhra Pradesh High Court Advocates Association, I stand before this Honorable full court to condole the sad demise of Hon'ble Justice R. Bayapu Reddy, former judge of erstwhile High Court of Andhra Pradesh, who left us on 4/2/2022. Hon'ble Justice R. Bayapu Reddy was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1962 and practiced as an advocate at Pudduturu in Kadapa district till 1973. Thereafter, he was selected as district munsif in the year 1973 and promoted as district judge in 1982 and worked at Chittoor and Kurnool. Thereafter, worked as the chairman of Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal at Hyderabad. Later on, as Chief Justice City Civil Court, Hyderabad. Then His Lordship was elevated as Judge of High Court of Andhra Pradesh in the month of July 1996. With his rich knowledge, my Lord was very quick in concluding the disputes and disposal of cases. The junior advocates were very much comfortable to represent before His Lordship's court. My Lord was retired on 8/12/1998. As His Lordship so sound in civil laws, after retirement he was appointed as an arbitrator in several matters. His Lordship was always friendly and known for hospitality. The bereavement is not only to the family but also to the entire legal fraternity. On this occasion, I, on behalf of the AP High Court Advocates Association, I pray the God Almighty for his soul to rest in peace.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request all to observe silence for 2 minutes as a mark of respect to the departed soul. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request your Lordship to announce that the work for the remaining day shall remain suspended.
As a mark of respect to the departed soul, the judicial business for the rest of the day shall remain.